Modern technologies keep advancing, and it's just a matter of time before yesterday's big thing is replaced by a more sophisticated, user-friendly and efficient one. InBody Interactive Anatomy Table is a learning tool which combines medicine and the latest computer technologies. Nowadays, it has become easier and more fascinating to get an idea of the anatomy of the human body. The Interactive Anatomy Table enables you to work with 3D models quickly and smoothly, develop critical thinking skills by comparing different pathologies and medical conditions to the normal state, acquire diagnostic skills such as CT, MRI, and medical ultrasound scanning, examine all the organs and body parts in detail. High screen resolution and realistic details make you wonder whether it is a computer in front of you. The interactive table is currently available in English, German, and Spanish. The system quickly generates assessment tests. Each question is based on a particular 3D scene, and it automatically provides reviews and statistics. Training of highly qualified specialists requires next-gen equipment. InBody Medical Solutions for one and all.